Hello and welcome to OpenEMM TV. You can visit OpenEMM, the first and only open source email marketing software of the world, at www.openemm.org. Here you have the possibility to test our demo account. Just click on the corresponding button. Today we would like to present you how to set up and send a new mailing. After you've logged into your OpenEMM account, please click on Mailings and then on New Mailing beneath it. Now you have to choose between the normal or the wizard guided way. In this presentation we're going to use the normal way because the wizard is self-explaining. The first step is to name the mailing. It is sensible to give the mailing an easy to understand name like monthly newsletter, but the decision is completely up to you. You also have the possibility to add a description. Next, we have to make the general settings of the mailing. We have to choose a specific mailing list, whether you want it to be part of a mailing campaign or not, and if it's a normal, an action-based or a date-based mailing. The OpenEMM also provides you the opportunity to archive your mailings. In this case, please click on the box. If you have already set up a template for your mailing, choose it here in this drop-down. In the following lines, you have to fill in the subject of your mailing and the sender's name. This is the name that is shown in most email clients as the sender of the email. The reply name and email are the ones that will get used when the receiver clicks on the reply button. The character set is standardized to Western Standard, but others are also available. The line feed has a standard value of 72 characters, but this can be changed according to your needs. In the format drop-down, you can choose between a pure text mailing, a combined text and HTML, or also an offline HTML mailing. The offline HTML format has the pictures already embedded to your mailing. This leads to a higher size of the mailing, but enables the receiver to see the pictures also when he's offline. The measure open rate is only possible with HTML or offline HTML mailings. The open rate gets influenced whether you choose the top or the bottom of the mailing as the measuring point. The results differ depending on the time it needs to load the mailing if the internet connection of the receiver is not a high-speed connection. In the OpenEMM, you can define certain target groups for a mailing, or send it to all recipients of the chosen mailing list. Now we have finished the general settings, so please click on Save. The next step is to insert the content of the mailing. In order to do this, click on Content. Now you can insert the HTML and the text content. In the text, you can include annotated text that insert the salutation by name and the unsubscription from the mailing list. There are also many other tags to insert personal profile data, names, addresses, and other things to your mailing. The next step is to insert the picture content. Just click on Browse, choose the corresponding file, and add it. You can also use pictures that are already in the internet. Just take care that these pictures are linked correctly in the mailing content. Different to the picture content is the attachment. It will not be implemented in the mailing, but attached. Adding an attachment is quite similar to adding a picture content. Click on Browse, choose a file, and click on Add. This time you can also give the file a name that may differ from the original file name and define a target group for this attachment. In the chart Trackable Links, the OpenEMM lists you all links that are in the different contents. By clicking on them, you can give the links short names for overview reason, define whether it is trackable or not, and if an action should be executed by clicking the link. After you've modified your links, save it and proceed to the Send Mailing chart. Here you can finally preview your mailing in text and HTML format. Administrator mails will be sent to all recipients of the mailing that are defined as administrators. Test mailings to test recipients and admins. After this test was successful, you can now send the world mailing. Click on Send. You can see how many mailings will be sent and choose a time for the delivery. If you want it to be sent now, click on Send again. Answer the security question with Yes, and the mailing starts to be generated and distributed. By clicking on Statistics, you can see how many people clicked on the links, opened the mailing, unsubscribed, and bounced in this mailing. To see the exact date and time of the clicks, click on the link. This can be differentiated to different previously defined target groups. Choose the target group in the drop-down and click OK. To export the statistic, click on the little disk and you can download the statistics to your computer.
So I hope you enjoyed this presentation and learned more about OpenAMM. Thanks a lot, and we're looking forward to hear from you.